Good afternoon. Today I'm glad to introduce a keyboard in Lightning connector for you. Now, let me show you. It is in black case. Looks very shy and fashion. Touch in good, slim, and it is waterproof. There is a connector. There is indicator, capital indicator here. It shows you how to change the capital lock. And in the black, in ABS material, and looks very shiny. It is a slim keyboard. It is about 4 millimeters, and the most function is the connector, the pin connector, the Lightning connector. All our connector is from the Apple Inc. from the United States. You must wondering how to use it. Now I'm introduced to you. First, plug the Lightning connector to your iPhone or iPad, and it is plug and play, just like this. Okay, it connects. Let me open it. Input your code. Wow, go back home, welcome. And in the front is the function keys. For example, this one is fallen up, and this one is fallen down, and this one is the mute. This one key is mute, and this one is the home keys. Press to go back home, and now I will play some music. The next song why it is very useful. And then we go back home and try to put some size and letters in. Okay, I'll show you. In a capital lock, if you play the capital lock, the indicator will be red. And if you want to change, just play the capital lock, and then the light will be gone. It is very useful, especially in the classroom, educational classroom. Thank you very much.